Kung gusto mo ng mas maluwag, mas maliwanag at mas premium na bahay, pakinggan mo to. Dahil corner lot ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. This is a bank foreclosed property. Corner lot, no bidding basta walang kasabay at as is where is. Ibig sabihin, unahan talaga. Kung sino ang unang kumilos, siya ang makakakuha. Located at Kensington, Phase 16, General Trias, Cavite. Lot area 60.25 square meter. Floor area 60 square meter. Perfect for growing families dahil may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 to 2 car garage. Bihira to sa ganitong presyo. Selling price, 2,651,000 only. Now, para malinaw, sample computation tayo. 20% down payment, around 530,200. 80% in-house loan, approximately 2,120,800. Payable up to 5 years. Estimated monthly amortization nasa 40,000 to 42,000 pesos. So, magkano ang required income? Ideally, kailangan ng 130,000 to 140,000 monthly household income para ma-approve at hindi mabigat sa budget. Take note, bank fees at transfer of title are not yet included. Mode of payment via PDC, MC, cash, or in-house loan. Reminder lang, corner lot plus bank foreclose plus no bidding equals sobrang dalang. Kapag may kasabay ka, bidding na ang mangyayari. We offer free house tour assistance, kaya message mo na kami ngayon. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!